On the off chance that you do what you love, will the cash follow? The slippery, bring in money doing what you love thing. Everybody needs it. We respect those that accomplish it, and we covertly question if it's even feasible for us. Can you truly do it? Indeed. I state excitedly. Indeed, you can make your first wad of cash with your enthusiasm. Be that as it may, it requires an adjustment in your reasoning and a caring portion of the real world. First, you need to think in quite a while of what motivates individuals to purchase and what doesn't. Next, you should choose if your enthusiasm is to a greater extent a leisure activity, or something that can genuinely create pay. At long last, you should be eager to begin little, right where you are to begin helping individuals. Rule number 1, people purchase things that are valuable, that take care of a squeezing issue they will pay cash to explain. Lamentably, nobody will pay you for something since you love doing it. Since it's your obsession. You may have the best item or administration on the planet. Be that as it may, in the event that it doesn't tackle somebody's prompt needs, you undoubtedly won't bring in any cash. Individuals purchase answers for their most squeezing issues. Your energy is the thing that makes raving fans and keeps them returning for additional. Along these lines, you must consider others' needs first, in front of your own. Your enthusiasm is the wonderful finish, however that is not why individuals plunk down the ka-ching. We should take Steve Jobs for instance. He's broadly respected for building a domain doing what he adored. Be that as it may, the cash didn't originate from his enthusiasm alone. The cash came through others since his items tackled some truly pestering issues they had. We should take the iPod for instance. Indeed, it was hot when it turned out. Indeed, Steve Jobs about combusted in front of an audience with energy as he uncovered it to the world. In any case, recollect, at the opportunity it turned out, individuals had huge amounts of music on their PCs. Yet, they couldn't take it with them. The iPod tackled the entirety of this. His items are completely intended to be natural and take care of squeezing issues that his buyers have continuously. Your energy is incredible, yet when you consolidate it with an answer for a need people have, you begin to win salary from it. Ask yourself, what are a few issues individuals have that I'm extremely energetic about explaining? What issues have I understood for individuals in the past that got extraordinary outcomes? Rule number 2, know the distinction between what is an enthusiasm, pastime, and an energy, salary generator. I have a couple of interests. One of them is thinking of innovative answers for intense cash issues and helping individuals set up basic frameworks to escape obligation, spare more, and begin living inexhaustibly. That is an enthusiasm of mine. Another enthusiasm of mine is vegging out before the love seat with a Costco-size pack of Nestlé chocolate chips and viewing an 8-hour long-distance race of housewives on Bravo. One is an energy, salary generator. The other is a disgraceful, despicable energy, leisure activity. Along these lines, before you set out to make your first wad of cash doing what you love, pause for a minute to choose if your energy takes care of a squeezing issue for individuals. Or then again, is it something that is extremely to a greater degree a pressure alleviation or imaginative outlet for you? Make a rundown of your interests. At that point, choose which ones are really leisure activities that are carefully for you possess satisfaction. At that point, distinguish if there's anything on that rundown that tackles a squeezing issue individuals would cheerfully put away cash with you to explain. Solicit yourself, of the considerable number of things that I'm energetic about, which one takes care of an issue that individuals have at this moment? Which of these interests are more for my very own pleasure? Rule number 3, start little and desert the magical thinking. This is a gesture to my visionaries out there. I know, since I happen to be one. Sometimes visionaries get an extraordinary thought to make salary utilizing their interests. At that point, something snaps in their mind and they start to have dreams of magnificence, fantasizing about making the following Facebook, Apple, or Pinterest. And afterward they begin pondering who they could join forces with, getting speculators in on the ground floor, trademarking logos, and obsessing about business cards. They invest energy in this extra stuff, keeps them occupied without pushing them ahead. Be that as it may, it tends to be a lot more straightforward. The way to making your first wad of cash is to begin where you are and do the self-evident, get out there and mention to individuals in your reality what you're doing. Mention to them with excitement and enthusiasm what you do and who you help. Mention to individuals what issues you understand. Request that they look out for any individual who may require your assistance. You will be astounded at what number of individuals need to support you and elude you to companions. At that point, when somebody lifts their hand and says, "Yes, I need your assistance," don't hesitate to charge a smidgen of coin. Note, you may be enticed to part with it for nothing. Try not to do this. Charge a smidgen since individuals don't esteem what they don't pay for. At long last, revel in the way that you were simply paid to do what you love. You've really done it. Let that feeling simply overpower you for a piece. Presently, you won't have the option to help yourself at this time, yet you have crossed a tremendous achievement. You simply experienced what it resembles to get paid to do what you love. A considerable lot of us feel extremely awkward getting cash for accomplishing something we would accomplish with the expectation of complimentary throughout the day. We've been encouraged that the best way to bring home the bacon is to accomplish soul-pulverizing work. Yet that doesn't need to be the situation. In the first place, simply having a bunch of individuals pay you to utilize your blessings to take care of their issues is an immense approval that you can do what you adore and procure cash simultaneously. Ask yourself, who would I be able to tell about my item or administration? Who do I help? What might I be able to make right currently to help these individuals quickly? A class? A program? An app? A website? An assistance? So your 3-stage intend to making your first wad of cash doing what you love. 1. Distinguish which of your interests take care of a squeezing issue for individuals. 2. Get out there and offer it to the individuals in your prompt circle. 3. Charge a smidgen of coin to approve the work that you do. You can generally expand this sum later. It is completely conceivable to bring in cash doing what you love, insofar as what you love is additionally valuable and essential for others. Keep in mind, individuals purchase things that take care of their issues. Help others get what they need with excitement and enthusiasm, and you will be well en route to supporting yourself full-time doing what you love.